Hi guys! So for today's video is definitely super duper unplanned kasi I wasn't planning on doing a wear test about this product. Kaya lang na-shock ako kasi, wait lang. So alam niyo naman na naglabas ng bagong beauty products yung Bench Beauty, and isa sa mga in-order ko is yung lip tattoo kasi gumawa na ako ng lip tattoo, yung 24-hour lip tattoo product nila. That was months ago, probably last year, and it was a successful wear test. So inisip ko, oh, may new packaging, probably new formula as well. Let's try it. Eto ka na nga, niswatch ko. Yung isa, yung nasa bandang kaliwa is a lipstick, and then yung nasa bandang kanan is yung, ang tawag dito? Lip tattoo. And it won't budge. Like, ayan o. Yung lipstick, of course, it's gonna budge. Pero yung lip tattoo, ayan. And then when I tried it sa arm ko, it was like, it's a different formula. Yung dating lip tattoo kasi, it's really thick. Like, you can actually feel it on your lips. Although very, very long lasting siya. So I'm wondering, hopefully yung lasting power niya is the same. Good morning! Hopefully yung lasting power niya is the same, but the question is the formula or the comfort different? So here is the packaging. We have the ingredients over here. It's made in Korea. And then Bench Beauty Lip Tattoo. On top is the shade. I got the wine. Ito yung darkest. So it's cruelty-free, paraben-free, 4.5. So ito yung itsura ng mismong product. Bench Beauty, very, very sleek. Very different from the mukhang bata, mukhang laro ang packaging of last year. And then over here is a doe foot applicator. My god, you guys, this is intense. I mean, ang intense yung shade na kinuha ko. Duh. So what I'm going to do is I'm just gonna let it set because mamasa-masa pa siya. Yung lip tattoo kasi dati, ganun din. You have to wait for it to actually set, to actually cling and make dikit sa labi. So I'm not gonna do anything for the next couple of minutes kasi pag itong weti-weti pa siya, medyo delikado pa yan. It's gonna transfer everywhere. Hindi ko lang sure if yung dating lip tattoo kasi medyo ano na siya, mag-glossy siya ng ganyan. It's not gonna dry into a matte. So ito hindi ko alam if it's gonna dry into matte or if it's gonna stay like this luscious. But what I can definitely tell is the formula is different. It's lighter. It's easier to apply. Yung dati kasi, it's very, very thick. Pero ito, pinapataas na niya yung hopes ko na bonggang-bongga ito. So, let's wait and see. Alright guys, I'm back. It's already been 15 minutes since I have this on my lips. So, tingnan natin. Meron pa rin siyang konti-konting transfer, pero hindi like 100%. Siguro sa tansya ko, mga 5% transfer lang siya. And it is still shiny, shimmering, splendid.
Siguro si kanina pa
Hey there guys, so obviously it's already the next day and I am here to tell you my final thoughts about dito sa Bench, sa bagong labas, bagong formula ng Bench Beauty Lip Tattoo. Nga pala, hindi ko na siya i-apply sa labi ko because I'm going to test out. May i-wear test ulit ako today na ibang lippy naman. Matagal na tong lippy na to but parang hindi siya masyado nabibigyan ng pansin. Hopefully, na-try ko na siya before. Hopefully, it has the same formula until now. Anyway, mabalik tayo sa Bench. So what can I say about this product? Una sa lahat, it's very different from the lip tattoo of before. Mas light yung formula nito, mas komportable siya sa lab. Mas okay yung formula niya sa lahat ng factors. Pag in-apply mo to, magiging siya, magmumukha talaga siyang lip tint na matindi. Pero may tendency mamuo dito sa gitna. Alam mo yung ganong characteristics ng lip tint. So, magiging parang really dark dito sa gitna. And then lighter dun sa, really dark dito sa inner corners. And then lighter sa gitnang part ng labi mo. Pero, depende kasi sa pagkaka-apply mo. If you're gonna apply it full pack on nang hindi nagtitipid, ganun yung magiging itsura niya. Which I advise guys, kung sakaling bibili nyo to, kung sakaling bet nyo to, apply it full pack on. Huwag nyo masyadong tipirin. Kasi titipirin din kayo sa performance. Alam nyo yun. It is very long lasting. Waterproof, yes. Somehow food-proof. Pwede rin. Long lasting siya. Although lalambot siya ng konti, hindi siya magiging kiss-proof kapag alam mo yun, nabasa siya and everything. Okay siya, honestly. Do I recommend it? For $349, well, $350, nakakalungkot na nagmahal siya. Kasi yung dati was just $245 or $249, yung dating lip tattoo. Pero since it got better, eto yung nagmahal, pero it got better for me. So I think it's okay. Pero, eto lang. Etong shade na to, yung white. Yung other shades, nasipat ko na kasi yung other shades. Parang na-swatch ko siya sa arms ko nung nagpunta ako sa mall. Pero hindi ko na vlog. Parang hindi ko masyado napupusuan yung other shades. Yung ma-pink and parang may ma-pink and ma-peach. Parang bright-ish. Ito lang yung shade na mare-recommend ko. Kasi feeling ko ito lang yung shade na parang magiging matino pa rin sa labi mo. Kasi nga, pula siya. Pag pink kasi, tapos, alam mo yun, mukhang lip tint. Parang hindi natural looking kung sakaling nagtagal siya sa labi mo. So, this is just the shade that I recommend, itong wine. Tapos, okay lang na isa lang bilhin mo. Huwag mo nang bilhin lahat. Pero alam mo yun, kung hindi mo pa rin bet yung price na $349, dito ka na sa Althea, Korea. Parang medyo magkahawig sila. Although ito, medyo mas dry to ng konti compared dun sa mas drying-ish na konti compared sa Althea Korea and compared dun sa Glam Up tint na binibita ko sa inyo. Pero alam mo yung pwede na tong maging parte ng iyong makeup army, makeup collection ng iyong batalyon ng makeup kung sakaling may pangangailangan ka ng lip tint na matindi, ganyan. Is it a must-have? Well, depende sa pangangailangan mo. Kung malipstick ka, kung maliquid lipstick ka, more than malip tint-y, well, hindi siguro masyado. Pero kung, alam mo yun, hindi ka naman laging nagli-liquid lipstick or nagli-lipstick yung bullet type at more on malip tint ka, this is a good one to try. So, what else? Feeling ko yun lang. Yeah, yun lang masasabi ko. I did enjoy wear testing this again. So, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And marami pa tayong i-wear test. Oh my God. Marami pa tayong testing yung mga produkto. Iba-iba. Meron sa labi, meron sa cheeks, meron sa entire face and everything. Masabangan nyo lang yan. Kaya dapat nakaklik yung notification bell nyo. Para alam mo yun, nosong mo agad pag may bago tayong pagdidiskitahan. Again, thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye!